Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Guild Mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Guild Mortgage Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the link where it says account login. Once you click on the link, you will get to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide a username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And if you want to save your username on this computer, you can click on this check mark. And if you are using a public or shared device, this is not recommended to click because it will save your login credentials on this device. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.